Hello, good morning, dear students. Welcome to KLS Gupte College of Commerce, Belagavi. Myself, Professor S.B. Bendigeri, Department of Economics, taking online classes for fourth semester students. Students, in the last class, I have completed the last topic of your syllabus, that is MNC. Okay, now today let us have a brief discussion on the unit number 3, that is foreign exchange. In this particular topic, there are three important concepts. One is foreign exchange, another one is foreign exchange rates and foreign exchange markets. Okay, and on these three important aspects, let us have a discussion. In the beginning, let us understand what is the meaning of foreign exchange. Do you know what is the meaning of foreign exchange? Foreign exchange is nothing but the money in terms of foreign currencies. How much currency a particular country has with its, that can determine the rate of foreign exchange. If a country is having a huge amount of currencies of different countries, that country can increase the international trade relations with other countries, and it can purchase any number of goods and services, as well as it can also export different goods and services to other countries. So here the amount of foreign currencies can determine the rate of foreign exchange, as well as it also determine the rate of economic growth of the country. And the amount of foreign exchange can also determine the balance of payments position. If the foreign currencies are in a huge quantity in a particular country, the BOP position of that particular country can be surplus. Okay, so when we increase the export conditions, we increase the goods and services, export of goods and services to other countries, that leads the amount of foreign currencies, inflow of foreign currencies to that particular country. Okay, so BOP position must be always in a balanced position. Okay, so foreign exchange not only increase the amount of foreign currencies, it also brings balance in economic growth and development, as well as the balance in balance of payments position. Okay, especially the foreign currency is also known as, in other words, if you are able to understand the term foreign exchange, it refers to the actual stock of foreign currency with a country. How much stock we have, and that amount of stock can determine the foreign exchange ratio. Okay, and take the example of foreign exchange. American dollars, German mark, Japanese yen. How much we have currencies of different countries with us, that can determine the amount of foreign exchange. Okay, I said the example of American dollars, German mark, Japanese yen, British pound, European euro currency. If we have these currencies in a huge quantity, we can have good relations in case of international trade, even with those countries as well as other neighboring countries. Okay, and foreign exchange is also defined as, it is the mechanism through which foreign payments are made. Okay, with the help of amount of foreign exchange, with the help of amount of foreign currencies, how we can what we mean to say, how we can pay the other payments in relation to foreign trade. Okay, so these are about the introduction part of foreign exchange and the meaning of foreign exchange. The remaining part of this particular topic we shall discuss in the next class. Thank you very much.